Alright, now this is how I made $1,879, except for Sunday. I didn't work Halloween. I had fun. Alright, Monday, October 25, I think it's 25. Alright, dude, like, it's like 8 or 9 o'clock, I don't know, like 8 something, almost 9 o'clock. I was tired last night, I didn't get home till like 2 o'clock. Alright, starting a new week. Alright, last week was 1900 with Uber. Yeah, I mean, no, Lyft. I keep saying freaking Uber. See how much I miss Uber. With Lyft. Alright, let's start a new week. Alright, let's see how much money we make today. Let's make this money. Alright, it is 6:26 in the morning. Yeah, that's my spot. That's my spot. Every morning. Okay, I have to really stop doing this. It's like $5 or so. The Starbucks coffee really digs into my pockets. Alright, I gotta put on trying to. Alright, yesterday after 2 o'clock I stopped working. I only made a total of 190, so it's 6:26 in the morning today. Let's see how much money we make. Alright, it is 9:24 in the morning and I've already made 134. Wow, so I'm way ahead today. 2 long trips, really far. Okay, I got there, picked up, dropped off, and then I picked up and I came back. Alright, so 134 for today. Alright, it is Tuesday and it's only 9:24 in the morning, so it's a good day. Remember yesterday I only made like 190, so alright, let's keep making this money, easy money. Alright, so today it's like 2:11 and I made a total of 263. Yeah. Alright, again, Uber's still down, so it looks like Uber's gonna be down for a couple of weeks and maybe for a couple of months. I love it. But yeah, 263 for today. Alright, let's keep it going. Let's see how much money we make today. Alright, finish at about 8:36 and I made a total of 317 for a Tuesday. Alright, pretty good. Actually, it's really good. Tuesday 317. Alright, let's see how much money we make tomorrow. Let's keep making this money. Alright, so it is Wednesday. Alright, again, this place is taking my money. Alright, so I'm working my way up on Lyft. Alright, so as far as I understand, I'm a gold tier right now. So today I started really early, so it was like 6 o'clock. I woke up at 5 and I was on the road by 6. So alright, let's keep it going, see how much money we make today. Alright, let's keep making this money. Finish the day off at about 312 with a total of 268. That's because I've been hitting the promos with Lyft. So alright, 268 for a Wednesday. Let's keep it going. I finish off at 3 and I'm probably gonna get back to work at about 5:30. So alright, let's keep it going. Let's see how much money we make for today. And it is 8:34 and I finished the day making 370 for a, is today Wednesday? I don't know. 370 for today. Yeah, Wednesday. Holy crap. Alright, 370 for a Wednesday. Alright, alright, so it was a good day. Again, I'm applying the same strategies that I do on my strategy ebook. Only difference is that I can't do deliveries. Alright, but the strategies are all the same. And 370, I'm doing so much better with Lyft than I am with Uber. Alright, but let's keep it going. Okay, I'm done for today. Let's see how much we're gonna make tomorrow. Alright, let's keep making this money. Alright, 7:30 in the morning. Alright, I think it's gonna be a really good day. I think it's gonna be most definitely a $200 day. And then some. But let's see. I think I'm calling it a little early. But $200 day. Alright, let's make this money. It is 12:30 p.m. on Thursday. I made a total of 118. Alright, pretty good day. I think today's gonna be a $300 day, so pretty short. Alright, let's keep making this money. Alright, I finished at 8:45 and I made a total of 335. All right, today was an easy day. It's Halloween weekend, Halloween week. All right, weekend's coming up, so it's really busy. So 3:37 in 7 hours, which puts me at like 40 something an hour. Did this easy money today. You should be making money. All right, let's keep it going. I'm done for today. 8:45. I'm done for today. Let's see how much we'll make tomorrow. All right, it is Friday, 12 noon. I made a total of 97. All right. I woke up at 5, but I had to pick up my daughter, take her to school and all that stuff. So that took some time. But yep, 12 noon or 11:59. I only made $97. We still got the rest of the day. So all right, let's see how much money we make today. All right. So it's like 8:30 or something like that, and I finished only making $222. All right, I'm done for the day. We'll continue tomorrow. All right, I'm gonna have some fun right now. All right, keep making this money. All right, it is 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, I woke up at 5. This stupid 16-8 diet. All right, so I'm up. I can't sleep. All right, I'm here at the Starbucks again. They keep taking my money. All right, today's Saturday. Friday was only a 222 day. I think today's gonna be a good day. All right, let's make this money. 11:23. I made a total of 122. All right. All right, let's keep it going. Let's see how much we get for the rest of the day. Let's keep making this money. All right, it is 6:38. I made a total of 364, I think, for the day. All right, I'm done. All right, it was a good weekend. I'm not gonna complain. It's Halloween, so of course I'm gonna make over 300. I mean, it's just common sense. But I've been up since I woke up at 5, hit the road at 6. So all right, we're done for today. Let's see how much money we make tomorrow. All right, this is just easy money. No strategies. Well, actually, a couple of strategies that I use for Lyft, but you know, nothing big. You should be able to make 300 easily. Keep making this money. It is Sunday, like 7:47 p.m. I didn't work today, so I didn't work today, so I didn't make no money. But today's total was this, and for the whole entire week. Let's see how much we make next week. Keep making this money.